Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to use automation with emails in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot homepage. Once you're in there, you just need to go to Workflows. You can find it by going over to Automation and clicking on Workflows right here. Once you have done that, you can create or edit an existing workflow. So in my case, let's create a workflow right here. You can start from scratch, from a template, or with AI. I'll start from scratch right here. Before adding actions, make sure to choose the correct workflow type, such as contact-based, company-based, or deal-based automation, depending on your campaign goals, audience segmentation, life cycle stage, enrollment criteria, and marketing objectives to ensure accurate email personalization and proper trigger configuration. For this case, you just need to add right here a send email action. Proceed to click on this search option and search right here for send email. You can search directly, or you can also look for the communications option, and here you can select the send email action as well. So click on communications, click on send email, and you can add it right here by dragging it or by clicking on it directly. Now, in this part, you can just add right here the associated label and select the email that you want to use. After that, save this particular change. Then you can set up the triggers and publish the workflow once you're done. So that's all there is today. Thanks for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.